Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How are you doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to #ThriftyThursday. So let me show you what I have today. I have a quick little video for today. I only got a few things this week. One from online and one from Michael's. And the reason they were thrifty is because this is an embossing folder. And I've never bought one before, but I have a Sizzix, big kick, or big shot, I should say. I have the Sizzix sidekick and the big shot, but I've never bought an embossing folder, and I just wanted to try one. I just have seen the all over ones that look like they just make a nice pattern all over your paper. So I got this one. Here's what it looks like. As far as, they have it in black here, but it will make a design on your, whatever you put it on. So I'm going to experiment with this and figure out how it works and make sure I know how to do it, and then I'll come back and show you the results. But I think that will be, I just wanted to, I don't want to add a lot of these to my stash here. I don't want like tons of embossing folders. I just wanted one that would work, kind of a generic design that I could use with everything. So that's why I got this one, and I think it's a floral design, as you can see, and it's by Tim Holtz. I think I got it at Amazon though, and it was just it was a kind of a low price. I was surprised that it wasn't more, but so I got it and I'm going to try it out. So that's that, and then I had a little bit on a gift card from, I don't know, probably last Christmas, to Michael's, because I don't go there very much. So I had a balance on a gift card. So I thought, well, let me go. And I didn't have anything to do on one of my lunch breaks one day. So I went to Michael's and found these two little ephemera packs. They were Christmassy, and they didn't have very many left. So I thought, well, let me get it before they run out, because I thought they were really cute. See, each one has two folders here. And so by recollections, which of course says 24 pieces on both of them. And let's just open up, well, let's open both of them and see what's in here. Yeah, so I thought these would be fun for Christmas paper crafting, journals, whatever, cards. So let's see, 24 pieces. So I guess maybe there's, 12 pieces in each of these little packages. So we've got, is there maybe two of each? Two Santas. The little car with all the gifts. Yeah, that's what it is. Two of each, so that's cute. Candy cane. This is a floral piece. It's, oh, this is mistletoe, I guess. Yeah, mistletoe. Christmas trees and a door. Super cute. Wow, that could be neat to use on a little house tag, right? And then let's see what this one is. Yeah, they were almost out of these, and I was really surprised because, it's not even the end of November yet when I am filming this or videoing this. I don't know when it will be published, but I got it at the beginning of, I got these, I think probably a couple weeks ago, actually, and I just haven't had a chance to do a video about it, but these are little ornaments. Let your heart be light. Wreaths that say Merry Christmas. Santa, a different Santa than the other package. Poinsettias. Pretty. Little gifts. Oh, and another door. Cool. I like the doors. This one was a red door, and this is a green door. This one has a wreath on it, and this one has a garland around it. So a little different color schemes on each one. This one has a mailbox. That's cute. This one has a Christmas tree, and this one has a poinsettia. So, very cute. Okay, the green was here, and the red one was there. Okay, let's see what's in here. Now I'm excited. You don't know what's really, you can't see what's all in here, right? You just see that they're Christmas ephemera when you get these. So, awesome. Yeah, I'm glad I got them. And they were not very much either. What? Oh, they were having a sale. Was it 50% off? These say $4.99, but they were having a sale on Christmas things that when I went. And I don't know if it was 50 or 60 or whatever off all Christmas paper crafting or whatever. And let me see how to get this open. Where do you get it? Oh, it's down here. Yeah, so besides me having a coupon, I mean a gift card to use up, I did use up because I've been a few times to use that gift card and I hadn't used it up. So I finally used up my gift card. Plus these were on sale, so they didn't cost me hardly anything. Little gingerbread house here. It looks like something that would go on a gingerbread package of cookies. Isn't that cute? It says gingerbread bakery. Gingerbread house is made to order. Oh, that's cute. And there's 2 of those. This says oh dear. Got the little reindeer there with the bird. Cute. And cupcake. Oh, that's neat. That's different. And these would be great to make cards out of if you know. I know someone that bakes cupcakes. I mean, she has a little cupcake business just out of her home on the side, but still, that would be cute for here's a little gift. Let's see, we passed by the poinsettia like garland there. And Hello Winter. So not all totally Christmassy too either. Like even those cupcakes don't have to be for Christmas. Okay, cool, awesome. And then this one, I could see the mittens in here. I thought, oh my, I just thought those mittens were so cute. That, because you know, I was probably considering only getting one, but I saw those mittens. Like, I have to get this one because it has mittens in it. Okay, so cardinals, happy holidays it says. There's the mittens, so cute. Joy, and it looks like a stitching. Cute. So yeah, these are ephemera, not stickers. A little branch here with blueberries and ornaments. Looks like an evergreen branch, but it has blue looking berries on it. And oh, isn't that cute? A little home for the holidays, little village scene here. This looks like a church and then 2 houses. That is pretty adorable. Warm up hot cocoa bar. Oh, that's another label. It looks like it belongs on a package, right? These would be cute to use to wrap packages too. I could picture these on brown paper packaging. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited now. Okay, so that's it for this week. I told you it'd be short, didn't I? So Thrifty Thursdays, an open collab hosted by me. If you want to participate, just post a video any Thursday, anything that you think is thrifty, and link my channel, subscribe to my channel, and you're pretty much set. If you want to let me know, I will add you to my Google Doc list, and with a clickable link so people can also search there or search with the hashtag. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.